All right, guys, I just want to say a massive, massive thank you for coming across here. Now, you're on this page because you've been invited, and only a few get this invite of being able to check out what we have to offer in terms of our Breakout Affiliate Mastery Program, which is geared to you guys getting from 10K or just getting to 10K in 30 days. Now, it's extremely possible. It's don't believe it's not a limiting belief because I've done it and I just being able to do it like day after day is just like breathtaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you some of the results I've been getting with BAM, and I'm also just going to quickly explain to you what's involved. Now, in terms of the results, guys, um, it's been pretty surreal results going on. So these are my results. The Breakout Affiliate Mastery Program is geared based on the process that I show you and how we can go about in getting you to the 10K months or even more. We've got some students that one guy's about to hit $70,000 in just 30 days, and this is the power of what being able to learn the process, get everything in place really quickly, and start scaling and being able to gain traction inside what we have to offer. So essentially, what I've been able to do is been able to generate consistently four-figure paydays, 20,000 20,000 done, and I've done $3,000 here as well in other revenue. And on top of that, guys, I'm just going to quickly show you my email where I've been able to generate sales. So as you can see, it's right now it's 10:15 a.m. and I've been able to generate consistent sales this morning. And these are yesterday's all the way through here. I even got a $277 commission just for promoting a product. It's pretty powerful stuff to be able to, use the process that we show and being able to leverage that in terms of, and also the coaching that we have as well. Now, the coaching that we have is a very intense 6-week set out training program where basically, literally by week 4, you should have already been garnering commissions during your following the process that we have in place. Now, on top of that, guys, the coaching that we have is that we get on weekly calls. I get on random calls in there also. So if I see anything that you guys need to know straight away, I get in there and I'll let you know about things that you need to be aware of, things that could impact you, things that you can set you back, and things that you can really improve on and implement to take things to the next level. Now, Mark and I, we have a very unique type of coaching style. We run a very no bullshit platform. If we see you guys leading yourself, sometimes you can find yourself leading astray without seeing it, we'll pull you back in. Basically just saying that, concentrate on this, keep it simple, keep it simplified, and then, you'll be able to start working those steps. And then we also tell you guys not to purchase any more products until you start getting some traction using the method that we have, because to be honest, wasting your products on things, wasting your money on things that you don't need is just not needed. So with the BAM course that we have, guys, we basically teach you, even if you're a stone cold newbie at this, you're not familiar with it, we get you in our coaching group, and we have a Facebook group that's a full community of about 100 or so like-minded individuals that are just going to support you. And I'll show you the support that we have, guys. So, one guy here, George, one of our key students, guys, in his first month of joining BAM, he did $800. All right. Now, our program is to get you guys to a point of being able to generate 10K in 30 days. That's what we want for you guys. Now, in May, he did three grand, 4.5 grand here in June. July, he did 7.5 grand, which is just insane. Now in August, he did 1.5 times the 10K in 30 days. He did 16 grand, or nearly 17 grand. He did $41,000 in September. All right. And the profitability that he's got is insane as well. Now, and on October, he's now declared himself a 6-figure marketer, because now he's been able to generate over $100,000 in total sales, essentially doing that. Now, the guy's been able to, and the guy literally does probably an hour of work a day now because he's got the process so in line, which is just ridiculous. So he sets his emails for the day, goes out, spends time with friends, goes for a drive in his car. That's what he does. This is the power of what the band process has allowed him to do. Now, I'm just going to show you some of the other results. I'll check it out here as well, guys. Now, he had his first biggest day here. Now, George, this is George again, $3,700 in one day. Unreal numbers, right? Some people don't even make that in a month. So I remember I didn't even make that in a month when I was on my 9 to 5, guys. So now when we got here, and I started out with $50 in my pocket. That's all I started out with. So then I built this process. So, guys, and then obviously top in terms of the Warrior Plus, Aaron's here, he generated over $300 just from one customer alone. And he's been able to do that using the power of what's going on here. So, just being able to really generate some solid results, which is really good, positive. And then we've got even more success stories here with Fitzy. Fitzy did $1,200 in a day, $5,900. So the guy's generating nearly $1,800 in just 2 days. $1,800 in 2 days, which is just phenomenal stuff. So, guys, it really is. And then even here's a big thank you to James and Mark for sharing the knowledge so freely in the BAM community. And we do have a family, guys. We've got a great bunch of guys in there that get in there. They help each other out. I'm even learning things in there. There's a lot of guys that have got experience in other areas, and I'm even learning new stuff as well. Like it's a really good supportive community. Now, it really depends on what you guys want to do. You can either sit here, you can keep buying all these different types of products, get frustrated, or you can basically be able to follow a proven process to generate results as well. So as you can see here, I've done, in the last 30 days, I've done $139,000 in commissions. And, that's from basically the process that we show you in the BAM. Now we have a launch offer going on right now, guys. It is $497 and it's only net for the next 3 days. 400, and then we're going to take it up to $997. The reason why we limited this because Mark and I have decided to give you guys $500 off, just to go, you guys, so you guys can get a leap start in being able to get moving on this. All right. So in terms of the 6-week program, guys, I'm just going to quickly run through it with you. In week 1, we will do the work and get your autoresponder and cash producing funnel exactly the same way we do it, and we follow up the layering for massive 5 and 6 figure months. That's what our goal is for you. Then we dive into the traffic where we get it, how best to use it, and this module alone is worth the price of admission because literally traffic and everything is everyone's biggest thing. You can't generate commissions without it. All right, guys. And then we cover how to track it and optimizing it. That means that you're getting more bang for your buck in generating the commissions. It's probably the most important module because I didn't do it a while back and I saved myself thousands once I started doing it. Thousands of dollars I started saving. All right. And then now we start covering increasing the traffic, utilizing that traffic. And then also we go into the money management side of things. So how you guys, you don't go broke or anything like implementing this product. We show you a manageable, easily effective, and highly profitable way of being able to implement it. And then we go through email marketing tips, how to take your income to the next level, how to write copy really well. And these tips can't be found anywhere else online, to be honest. Basically in line of what we do and the amount of results that we generate. And then in week 6, we cover scaling again at a even more in detail depth. And basically we'll be able to, get you to a point of job replacing income and get that on autopilot for you. All right. So basically the biggest takeaway is that we've got the setup already pretty much done for you, and make sure it's done correctly. We teach you how to use the system right away. We give you the inside tips and tricks on anywhere you can't get anywhere else. And then you also jump on the live call training with us weekly. We get on their live calls, answer any questions, no dumb questions. You just ask the questions and we'll just be straight up front with you and as honest as as we can be. We're just honest people and we just want to see you guys succeed, and we're not going to lead you down a dark garden path. It's just not pretty when you go down that path. All right, guys. And then so right now we got to we usually have it at $9.97. We were going to have it at $14.97, but we today for the launch period, we know things coming up, and people just want it right now. Everyone's looking for work from home. With everyone, so we've got a basically an early bird price of $4.97, which is available for the next 3 days. All right. So as you can imagine, we've only got limited spots available, so we're limiting it to the first 25 people, and we've already got around about 12 people joined up. So basically, there's 13 spots left, guys. If you want to join in, make sure you secure your one of those 13 spots left, because we want to make sure that we set everything up successfully. We don't want to spread ourselves thin, because we want you guys to succeed. And we want to make sure that the process that we put in place for you guys is fully, to the T. All right. So we're not going to spread ourselves in, and we're not going to, dilute our service and give shitty service. That's not what we do. All right. So, or shitty coaching. We just don't do that. So that's why we're limiting their spots. So once you decide to join, guys, just if you want to join, if you still have second thoughts, down below, Mark and I have got, our chat buttons down below in the below page. You guys are more than welcome to come and have a chat with us. If not, if you're ready to go, click the link below, the buy now button, go get it, jump in the $4.97. You'll get an email receipt from Warrior Plus. Click that link in that email, guys. Access your training, access our BAM group, and make sure you put your email in there, because we do verify all our people that purchase, and we'll see you on the inside. All right, guys. $4.97 expires. That price expires in the next 3 days, and it will go back up to $9.97. All right, so it's a $500 saving straight away. All right, guys. So see you inside. Thanks very much. Make sure you secure one of those 13 spots left, and we'll catch us inside BAM. Thanks, guys.